Juicy, crispy, tender wings without deep frying are possible thanks to the air fryer. Hi Mindful Moms and Dads, Kristen here. As someone with a chronic disease, I believe homemade is best, but it doesn't need to be complicated. My husband is obsessed with football, and he believes that chicken wings and football go hand in hand. So you better believe he's an expert when it comes to chicken wings. And while he loves my Instant Pot chicken wings because they're super tender and juicy, his latest favorite are my air fryer chicken wings, and you're gonna love them too. They're incredibly crispy and still juicy and flavorful. They really are perfect chicken wings. So let's put on our kitchen capes and make air fryer chicken wings. When it comes to the flavor of chicken wings, your options are endless. I'm gonna start this recipe with the basic dry rub that's good enough to stand on its own, but you can also toss the wings in your favorite sauce after they cook, if desired. For the rub, mix together 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, use regular paprika if that's all you have on hand, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. The sugar helps balance out the heat, but you can certainly omit if you need this recipe to be sugar-free or keto-friendly. Finally, add 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and give that a good mix to incorporate. For the chicken wings, you want to use fully defrosted wings, and this is one time where organic really is better. The wings taste better, they're less fatty, so if you can find them, I really recommend using organic chicken wings. Even better if they're labeled as dry chilled organic chicken wings. In my mixing bowl, I have about 1.5 pounds of chicken wings. I'm adding in just 1/2 teaspoon of oil. That'll help the dry rub adhere to our wings, and it'll help the wings crisp up. You only need a tiny bit of oil when frying in the air fryer. And then I'm gonna sprinkle 2 tablespoons of my rub over the chicken wings and toss liberally to coat, adding more of the rub if needed. At this point, you can cover this bowl with plastic wrap and pop it in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours, or you can start air frying right away. Remove your basket from your air fryer, or your trays if you have an air fryer that uses trays, and then spread your chicken wings out into an even layer in your basket or trays. Make sure your wings are not overlapping or they won't crisp up or cook thoroughly. Then you want to pop your basket into your air fryer, and we're going to set to cook at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes have passed, remove your basket from the air fryer, flip your chicken wings, and return your basket back to the air fryer for 8 minutes at 400 degrees. After the 8 minutes have passed, your wings are done. Look at that. They're crispy, they're golden, and they're perfectly spiced. You can toss these wings in barbecue sauce or buffalo sauce or teriyaki sauce, but this rub is so good, you really don't need anything else. Just a side of ranch or blue cheese dressing and get dipping. You know what's a perfect side to these air fryer wings? Air fryer crispy potatoes, and I'll show you how to make that in my next video. Until then, happy cooking.